Well, welcome back to another Friday night disaster report. I didn't get one done last week, but got a little bit of stuff for this week. Been pretty busy. And we had another employee hired here. We got Murphy the cat brought in as general manager and pest control officer. Doing a pretty good job at both because she put on one day on the job, took a week off, disappeared, showed up 7 days later. But in that one day she got rid of all of our mice problems, so I guess we can't complain about that. Now she just quits hollering and yelling all the time. We'll be all set. Anyways, Tucker and her seem to get along fine. So she walks up, sniffs his nose with him, everything's good, and then she hisses at him. He looks at me like, what did I do? But anyway, that's what they do. So we've been pretty busy here. Customers' work coming in. We got our drive shaft job done for the Outlaw race truck, and put in a couple of late nights doing that, and did a hydraulic cylinder rod to rebuild, and I have to get down, old cat, can't be clawing me. So we got that all machined out and working good. I got a few pictures, a little bit of footage when we were working on that rod, and a couple of clips of a finished up drive shaft and kind of what it looks like. So we'll throw that in there, and that'll about do it for this week. Try to get some more footage and stuff here as we get caught up, and have time to do a little bit more videoing. And this cat has got to do something about his claws. I am not a scratching post. Anyways, here's a few clips. Hope you enjoy. Well, here's the next project in the machine shop. We got a hydraulic rod here that's a little too bent. So how bent's too bent? Well, 90 degrees is pretty much too bent for any practical form of straightening out. Although we might give it a try here just for fun sometime. So what we're doing is making a new one right here. That is actually a piece of axle shaft out of a Rockwell differential, something like 4140. So we're going to turn it, we got it to dimensions between centers, so we're going to get her turned roughed out to size and go from there. Okay, we got her roughed down to 650. We're going for 1/500, so we just end out it. We're going to bring this end down, rough it out to the dimension for the thread on one end, and then we'll endo it again, get our dimension down once it cools off, and get the other end threaded. We got our end for our clevis down to 1 1/4 inches. I don't know if you can see it or not. We got a relief in there and a chamfer on this end. Now we got to take the shaft down. This end's cool, this end's hot, so we're going to have to let it cool off. The fan's blowing on this end. And we'll take this down to dimension where we switched over to a DCMT from an SNMG we were using for roughing, although the rough turned out pretty good. But this is putting on just about a mirror finish, this DCMT, so I'm really liking that. So we're going to use that for bringing her down, this down to our 1.5 inches. And then we'll flip her over and we'll bring our other end down for our piston end.